ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिनि व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अस्माकम् अद्यतनविषयः अस्ति एकादश अभ्यास, 11th अभ्यास. We will go quickly. I am going to read page 22 very quickly. I hope everyone has seen this abhyasa already. We'll just quickly see. Murkaha, choraha, mokshaha. See, all these are simple words. We already know meaning of all these words. Murkaha, choraha. Choraha is thief. Murkaha, fool. Mokshaha, snanam, bath. Pathanam, reading. Bhakshanam, eating. Then kha shabdas. Kha is sanya. Kha is dhatu. So what dhatus are given? Krudh, krodh karna, to get angry. Kup, krodh karna. Druh, droh karna, to hate somebody. Irsh, irshya karna, to be jealous. Asui, dosh nikalna, to find fault. Asui, asuyati. Nivedi, nivedan karna, request. Upadish, upadesh dena, teach. And krand, rona, to cry. They have also given avyaya and kriya visheshna shabdas also. Artham and krite, both are for. So example will be given later. But bhojanartham means to eat, for the sake of food. Pathanartham, for the sake of reading. And gha is adjectives. Visheshna shabdas. Sundaram, sundar, beautiful. Shobhanam, acha. Samichinam, acha. So samichinam asti, this is what it means. It is good. And madhuram, meetha, sweet. So everything is quite simple. As the same as yesterday, if possible, keep page number 75 and 95 open as well. So we will keep going from 22 to 75 to 95. Page 75. Sarva Shabda Napumsakalinga is given, 74, page 74, Sarva Shabda Napumsakalinga. Hariji, if you have found, please read Prathama to Chaturthi. कृपया पठतु भवान्. अथवा संध्याजी, whoever is found, page 74, sarva shabda napumsakalinga.
I found.
You only read first.
Aha, au, e,
Wait.
au, an.
No, that is Sankshipta Rupa of Pullinga. Napumsakalinga is niche, second, below Pullinga. It says,
Sarvam, that one?
Yeah, it says Napu, right? You see that 34,
Yeah.
It says Napu, Napumsaka, neuter gender.
Correct.
Sarvam?
Okay. Sorry. Sarvam, sarve, sarvani. Sarvam, sarve, sarvani.
Sarvani.
Sarvena, sarvabhyam, sarve. Sarvasmai, sarvabhyam, sarvabhya.
Sarvabhyam, sarvena, sarvabhyam, not sarvabhyam, sarvabhyam, sarvaihi, sarvasmai, sarvabhyam, sarvebhyaha, and it is sarvani, not sarvani, sarvani. Hariji, you found? If you have found, then Panchami Vibhakti. Adhava Sandhyaji Bhavati eva Pathatu. Panchami Vibhakti. Sarvasmat.
Sarvasmat, sarvabhyam, sarvabhya, सर्वस्य सर्वस्य सर्वयो सर्वेषां सर्वे नाम रे सर्वे नाम
सर्वेषां correct only सर्वेषां is correct
सर्वेषां सर्वस्मिन् सर्वयो सर्वेषु
सर्वयोः visarga is there
योः
PDF I don't know if it is there sarvayoho sarvasya sarvayoho sarvesham sarvasmin sarvayoho sarveshu. So meaning of all this, we are now reading only the words, but meaning, as you know, is all given in page number 8, right? Page number 8 has meaning of each vibhakti, as we saw earlier 2 weeks ago or whatever. Page number 8 has the meaning, so subject, object, all that stuff is given. Okay, I'll continue reading on page 22. Vyakaran. So yesterday we saw Sarvanam Pullinga and we saw Chaturthi Vibhakti. If anyone remembers, everything we saw was with Chaturthi Vibhakti. Today also it will be with Chaturthi Vibhakti only. So the session will get over quickly because yesterday we have done enough practice. But today the difference will be Napumsakalinga. And yesterday we saw As Dhatu, Lat, Lot and Lang Lakara. Today we will see Lit and what is the other Lakara? If Lat, Lot, Lang and Lit, which is the fifth Lakara in this book that we have seen already?
Lit Lakara.
No, Lat, Lot, Lang, Lit are over. Then now one more is left. What?
Vidhiling Lakara.
Vidhiling Lakara. So today we will see Vidhiling Lakara and Lit Lakara. Vidhiling is advice and Lit is future, Bhavishyati. Okay, I'll read quickly. सर्व शब्द के नपुंसकलिंग के पूरे रूप स्मरण करो. दैट वी हैव जस्ट डन. सर्व शब्द फुल रूप वी हैव डन. तत् यत् एतत् और किम के रूप नपुंसकलिंग में सर्व के तुल्य ही चलेंगे. सो लाइक वी सॉ सर्वस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति एकवचन इज सर्वस्य, लाइक दैट एतत् तत् एवरीथिंग विल फॉलो द सेम वे. तस्य एतस्य एटसेट्रा यतस्य एंड सो ऑन. एंड इन सब के रूप तृतीया से सप्तमी तक पुल्लिंगवत चलेंगे. सो पुल्लिंग एंड नपुंसकलिंग आर द सेम फ्रॉम तृतीया चतुर्थी पंचमी षष्ठी सप्तमी विभक्ति. प्रथमा और द्वितीया में ए आनी लगेगा. सो तत् ते तानी. इफ इन बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद क्लास टुडे दिस क्वेश्चन केम, स्वामीजी हैड आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन. ते शब्द केम एंड इट वाज सपोज्ड टू रेफर टू एनीवन रिमेंबर्स? ते शब्द रेफर टू नाम एंड रूप. नाम रूप कर्म में नाम एंड रूप आर रेफर टू बाय ते. सो दैट तत् ते तानी. द्वितीया एक प्रथमा विभक्ति द्विवचन इज ते. तत् आदि के प्रथमा और द्वितीया एकवचन में तत् यत् एतत् किम रूप ही रहेंगे. So this is quite simple. So all this will be similar. Etat, tat, yat, everything is similar to sarva. Then second point also I read quickly. As dhatu ke vidhiling और rit के रूप स्मरण करो. Yesterday itself we have done, so no need to do today. Page number 95. अस को rit में भू होता है, अतः भविष्यति आदि. This we have seen already. भविष्यति, भविष्यतः, भविष्यन्ति is future tense. If there is I'm going a bit quickly. But if there is any question, of course, stop me. Further, क्रुद्ध आदि के ये रूप बनाकर भू के तुल्य रूप चलेंगे. क्रुध्यति. So when you say somebody is getting angry, we say saha क्रुध्यति. Somebody is getting hatred for something, saha druhyati. So it is krudh dhatu, but it will become krudhyati, not krodhati. Krudhyati or not krudhati, krudhyati. क्रुध्यति, द्रुह्यति, ईर्ष्यति, असूयति, निवेदयति, उपदिशति, क्रंदति. They have given example. Niyam 24. Krudh, druh, irsh, asui. All this we have just seen. Krudh is to get angry. Druh is to get hate. Asui is to get asuyati. There again dosh, to find faults. And ईर्ष्यति is to get jealous. इनके धातुओं के साथ जिस पर क्रोध किया जाए उसमें चतुर्थी होता है. सो वेर एवर दिस कम्स होती है, देयर विल बी चतुर्थी विभक्ति. लाइक यस्टरडे वी ऑलरेडी सॉ. फॉर एग्जांपल Rama murkhaya krodhyati. Rama gets angry on the fool, on the murkha, on the stupid person. Or kupyati, druhyati, irshyati, asuyati, etc. Murkhaya is chaturthi vibhakti. Like Rama shabda, Ramaya. So murkhaya. कथ निवेदय उपदेश धातुओं के साथ चतुर्थी होती है, जैसे शिष्याय कथयति. सो इफ गुरु वांट्स टू टेल समथिंग टू शिष्य, either they can say shishyam kathayati, but here they are given shishyaya. You tell to the shishya, shishyaya. As we saw, chaturthi vibhakti is for to and for. So if you are telling to the shishya, you say shishyaya kathayati, nivedeti, upadishati, etc. जिस प्रयोजन के लिए, दिस नाउ आई एम रीडिंग 26 नियम है, जिस प्रयोजन के लिए वस्तु या क्रिया होती है उसमें चतुर्थी होती है. सो इफ यू वांट टू से आई वांट टू गो एंड ईट, भोजनार्थम गच्छामि, आई एम गोइंग टू गो एंड ईट. और पठनार्थम गच्छामि, पठनार्थम कैलासाश्रम गच्छामि, आई गो टू कैलासाश्रम फॉर द सेक ऑफ स्टडीइंग, पठनार्थम. हियर दे आर मोक्षाय हरिम नमति. Hari does namaskara for the sake of moksha, to get moksha. And Shishuhu Dugdaya Krandanti. The student cries for milk. The baby cries for milk. Final 27th नियम. चतुर्थी के अर्थ में अर्थम और कृते अव्ययों का प्रयोग होता है. अर्थम समास होकर शब्द के साथ मिल जाता है. So, like what we have already seen. Pathanartham. Pathana, artham, both will combine and it will become patanartham. Patanasya artha. I am patanaya artham. I am going for the sake of study. So patanaya artham will become patanartham. Okay. Any questions? Because today we've gone a bit quickly in page 22. Now we will just see quickly the examples on 23 and close. So any questions before we continue? Okay. So we will continue. I am going to read the first paragraph on page 23. From the second paragraph, I will ask questions. First paragraph. Udaharan Vakya. Krishnaha tasmai durjanaya krudhyati. So the meaning is, Krishna gets angry on that Durjana. Durjana, evil person, wicked person. He gets angry, krudhyati, on that person. So here they are again Durjanaya. You see, Chaturthi Vibhakti. Druhyati, hatred, irshyati, jealousy, asuyati, find fault. Shishya tasmai gurave kathayati. Gurave again is Chaturthi Vibhakti. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Yesterday we saw. So tasmai gurave kathayati. Shishya tells to his guru, to the guru. Putraha janakaya nivedati. Son requests to his father, to the father. Guruhu shishyaya shishyam va upadishati. So either you can say shishyaya upadishati or shishyam upadishati. Dono are correct. Teaches to the student. Jnanaya gurum namati. For the sake of knowledge, namaskara to the guru. Saha snanartham gacchati. He goes for baths. Tvam bhojanasya krite atra agaccha. Tvam bhojanasya krite atra agaccha. For the sake of food, you come here. Atra agaccha. Which lakara is this? Agaccha.
Present let lakara.
Agaccha. You come.
Okay, instruction, right? Lot lakara.
Correct. Lot lakara. Samichinam asti. Lot lakara. Tatpalam thani pustakani cha atra santi. In many places in today's Brihadaranyaka class also this came. Tani pustakani. So tayoho rama rupa yoho. Tabhyam nama rupa abhyam. Everywhere you see this ending will be similar when we talk in Sanskrit. Tani phalani. Tasya phalasya, etc. So thani phalani atra santi. Those fruits and those books are here. The fruits and books are here. Tani pushpani sundarani shobhanani cha santi. See, everything is ending in ani. Tani pushpani. Bahuvachana prayoga is done. Tani pustakani. Tani pushpani. Those flowers are sundara and shobhana. They are good and beautiful. they are here. Those good and beautiful flowers are here. Cha santi, are there. Sa atra syat, tvam syaha, aham cha syam. This is vidhiling prayoga. Syat, syaha, syam. Page number 95, fourth table, vidhiling. Lakara is given. Okay, now for questions. हरिजी भवान् वदतु. राम
संस्कृतम राम
हाँ
चोर पर क्रोध करता है.
राम gets angry on the thief. हाँ
रामः
रामः
चोराय
चोराय
क्रुध्यति.
क्रोध्यति. समीचीनम् अस्ति. भवान् एव, till you make a mistake you have to say भवान् एव वदतु. चोर सज्जन को द्रोह करता है.
चोर is
चोरः
one चोर. चोरः सज्जनाय द्रुह्यति.
समीचीनम् अस्ति. सम्यक्. मूर्ख विद्वान से ईर्ष्या करता है. विद्वान इज प्राज्ञः.
मूर्ख विद्वान
इज प्राज्ञः. प्राज्ञः. सो मूर्खः
fourth vibhakti again. Irshadi is Irsha only, right?
Yeah.
Irshadi. Vidwan is what is the translation for Vidwan? I forgot.
प्राज्ञः.
Vidwan. Prajnaya Irshadi.
समीचीनम्. सम्यक्. अगेन करेक्ट. दुर्जन सज्जन के दोष निकालता है.
दुर्जनः सज्जनाय दुष्यन्ति.
असूयति.
Sorry.
संध्या जी भवती वदतु. सेनापति उस राजा से कहता है.
सेनापति ही.
हाँ समीचीनम्.
तत्र नृपः.
चतुर्थी विभक्ति अप्यूस्.
राजा नृपाय.
हाँ
नृपाय
हाँ
कहता है
समीचीनम्. वेरी गुड. यस वदति इज इन. हाँ नृपाय. सो यू से तस्मै नृपाय. सो सेनापतिः तस्मै नृपाय वदति और कथयति. हियर दे अगेन कथयति. सो बोथ आर. वदति इज करेक्ट. वेरी गुड. ओके आई विल से द नेक्स्ट वन. बालक उस गुरु से निवेदन करता है. सो अगेन चतुर्थी विभक्ति यू हैव टू यूज. बालकः तस्मै गुरवे. तस्मै बिकॉज उस गुरु, दैट गुरु. तस्मै गुरवे निवेदयति. He just asks, he requests. They have given nivedayati in the page 22. They have given nivedayati. Okay. So in the same way, everything else also will follow in this area. One more question we can see. 9th point. हरि जी, वह नहाने के लिए वहां जाता है.
वह is saha. Sorry. 9th one, right?
Yes.
वह सह नहाने के लिए स्नानार्थम.
Correct. समीचीनम्.
स्नानार्थम वह सह तत्र जाता है. मीन्स गच्छति.
करेक्ट. सम्यक. सः स्नानार्थम तत्र गच्छति. सो इन द सेम वे पढ़ने के लिए सः संध्या जी भवती वदतु. वह पढ़ने के लिए विद्यालय जाता है. संध्या जी भवती.
Sorry, Akash, can you repeat once? Actually, my network is not good.
It's okay. See, 9th one we saw. वह नहाने के लिए सः स्नानार्थम तत्र गच्छति. So now 10th one. वह पढ़ने के लिए विद्यालय जाता है. So it will be
सः
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 पठनार्थं
पठनार्थं तत्र
तत्र ओके
विद्यालयं
हा
गच्छति
करेक्ट विद्यालयं बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट
विद्यालयं
सो
गच्छति।
पठनार्थं विद्यालयं गच्छति देन वह
पठनार्थं राइट
पठनार्थं हाँ स्नानार्थं you see नियम 27 last नियम on page 22 it is given पठनार्थं
okay right
yeah so then वह खाने के लिए पल चाहता है सह हाँ
खाद्यार्थं
भोजनार्थं for food
सः भोजनार्थं
के लिए भोजनार्थं हो गया सो फलम इच्छति करेक्ट हाँ बस सो द नेक्स्ट वन आई विल ओनली से बालक दूध के लिए रोता है बालकः दुग्धम राइट दुग्धाय फॉर द सेक ऑफ मिल्क दुग्धाय क्रंदति इज टू क्राई बालकः दुग्धाय क्रंदति ओके हरि जी वदतु वे पुस्तकें सुंदर हैं
वे पुस्तकें
those books are beautiful
तानि पुस्तकानि
correct
तानि पुस्तकानि सुन्दराणि सन्ति
समीचीनं सम्यक् सुन्दराणि सन्ति तानि पुस्तकानि सुन्दराणि सन्ति संध्या जी वदतु वे फल मधुर हैं
तानि फलानि
करेक्ट तानि फलानि
मधुराणि सन्ति
हाँ सो मधुराणि सुंदराणि एक्सेट्रा विल कम इफ इट इज तानि सो वे फूल अच्छे हैं आई विल से तानि पुष्पाणि शोभनानि सन्ति सो सिमिलर वे ओनली एवरीथिंग इज तानि फलानि तानि पुस्तकानि तानि फल पुष्पाणि एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा वह कार्य अच्छा है हरि जी वदतु वह कार्य अच्छा है
वह कार्य which one is it? Sorry, I am just looking at
number 16.
16. वह कार्यम अच्छा है वह कार्यम
that work is good
तत् कार्यम अच्छा है
समीचीनम् अस्ति तत् कार्यं समीचीनम् अस्ति
समीचीनम् अस्ति
हाँ नाउ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट संध्या जी भवती वदतु जो कार्य अच्छा है वह करो डू दैट
जो कार्य अच्छा है वो करो
ओके आई विल से जो कार्य
तत्र का just help me with Joe. I will try.
यत्
कार्याणि
वही कार्याणि इस बहुवचन है ना they are only saying one कार्य अच्छा है कार्यम यत् कार्यम
अच्छा
okay wait I'll say because this is little difficult यत् कार्यम समीचीनम् अस्ति whatever is good right whichever karyam is samichinam shobhanam samichinam asti tat kuru you do that so whichever karyam is good do that here say yat karyam samichinam asti tat kuru okay like this in bhashya when we read vedanta
yat once can you repeat once
yat karyam samichinam asti whichever karyam is good, yat karyam samichinamasti, that you do. Kuru shabda comes many times in Bhagavad Gita. For example, Bhagavan Shri Krishna says, Kuru Arjuna, you do this Arjuna, yad karoshi yadashnasi yad juhosi dasi yad tapasi kante tat kuru shvamadarpanam. 9th chapter, 27th, which shloka I don't remember number, 26th or 27th. Tat kuru, you do that Arjuna, Bhagavan says. So like that, tat kuru, yat karyam samichinamasi tat kuru, you do that. Okay, next 18th. कौन से फल मीठे हैं? कानी फलानी मधुरानी संति? Question mark. कानी फलानी मधुरानी संति. Which phala are sweet? Any questions before the next we go forward? Okay. हरि जी वदतु. 19. वह घर पर होवे. He should be in the house. हरि जी भवान वदतु.
सह गृहं भवन्तु.
Here they are using vidhiling lakara. So
Okay.
and further, it will not. If we are using lat lakara, it will be bhavatu, not bhavantu.
Bhavantu, okay.
Further, one more, in the house. So it will be saptami vibhakti. Right? Saptami is in grihe. Correct. So saha grihe. Here they are using vidhiling like an advice. So it will be syat.
Syat, okay.
सह गृहे स्यात्.
Syat.
संध्या जी भवती वदतु. तू वहाँ होना, you should be there, but विधिलिंग लकार, not लोट लकारे, विधिलिंग लकारे. संध्या जी भवती वदतु.
त्वं
हाँ त्वं
तु
वहाँ 20th
तत्र
तत्र सम्यक बहुत सम्यक बहुत सुंदर होना. सी विधिलिंग पेज 95.
1 second. 95.
Asmi is which purusha? Wait. Asmi, where it is not in vidhiling. Asmi is in lat, right? You have to see vidhiling.
That right?
Sorry? Wait. Tvam is which purusha? Tvam is prathama, madhyama, uttama. Which purusha?
You is madhyama.
Correct. Madhyama is second, right? Vidhiling second one, ekavachana is what? Syaha. No, syatam is dvivachana. Prathama purusha dvivachana is syatam. You want madhyama purusha ekavachana. So syaha. Tvam tatra syaha. Okay. So this is how we map. Little practice, you will be perfect in this. Very close to very good. मैं यहाँ हूँ. हरि जी वदतु भवान. मैं यहाँ ओहो विधिलिंग लकारे. हरि जी भवान कृपया भवान वदतु.
अहम अत्र भवेयम.
हाँ ओके. श्याम is easy. अहम अत्र श्याम. Okay. And Sandhya ji, one more you say, and then we'll go to the next one. Vaha hoga. This is bhavishyati. Future tense you have to use. Saha.
Okay. Saha tatra.
Tatra.
Hoga. Haset.
See 95, page 95.
Once again, 95 future
Lit-
tense, right?
lit
Lit lakara. Bhavishyati.
हाँ, that only bhavishyati. Saha, right?
Bhavishyati.
Saha we are saying. Saha तत्र भविष्यति, वहाँ वो उधर होगा. Okay. सा तत्र भविष्यति. Clear? Okay, right? No doubt.
For hoga also?
होगा, he will be there. Saha hoga, he will be there. So bhavishyati. If it is say I am aham, I will be here, then what will it be? Saha is bhavishyati. For aham,
For aham is first, saha second, some third. So uttama purusha,
हाँ.
third one.
हाँ,
Bhavishyami.
सम्यक, बहु सम्यक. अहम भविष्यामि. करेक्ट. हरि जी, एकं वाक्यं भवान् वदतु. तू कहाँ होगा? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Where will you be?
Which one is it?
23.
23. Tu is tvam.
त्वं
Kaham is kutra, right?
कुत्र? सम्यक.
Bhavishyami.
भविष्यामि is for aham. Tvam.
Sorry. Bhavishyami is for
भविष्यामि is for
Bhavanti.
भविष्यामि is for aham. Aham bhavishyami is correct. Saha bhavishyati, he will be there. You will be there. Will be tvam.
Bhavani.
Bhavishyasi. Why bhavani?
Bhavishyasi. Sorry.
This is lit lakara. Future tense, right?
Oh, I was about to ask you to just say the tense of the future, the
Yes.
tense one more time, just
Okay.
to know the names and all.
Yeah, so we'll do that just now. 95, page 95. There are 5 tenses given. 5 lakaras are given. Lat lakara is present tense.
Lat is present tense. Okay, got it.
Lot lakara is instruction or request. Direct instruction or request. Agnya.
Lord, okay. Instruction, okay.
Lang lakara is past tense.
Lung is past tense.
Past tense.
Okay.
Vidhiling
Okay.
is advice. So it is slightly
Advice,
indirect.
okay.
Lot is very
Yeah.
direct. Vidhiling little indirect. And
Uh,
Rit is future. So in this book only these 5 are there. Rit is future tense. Rit. La, r. Il,
Okay.
ru, it. Rit. Lit will be different. It will come later. These are the 5 tenses in this book.
okay.
All given on the after page 95. Every page, most of the pages will have all. Okay.
Okay.
We'll finish in 2-3 minutes. Ashuddha vakya, shuddha vakya. Choraha sajjanat druhyati, soraha sajjanaya. Choraha sajjanaya druhyati. Chaturthi vibhakti. Tam nripam kathayati, tasmai nripaya kathayati. Again, chaturthi vibhakti is used. We don't say nripam, nripaya kathayati. Te pustakani sundaraha? No. Te pustakani sundarani. Because everything will follow the same ending. Tani pustakani sundarani santi. All of them are sundara. Okay. दो ग को बहुवचन में बदलो. So एक ही बदलो. हरि जी, ग ऊपर is 19, number 19. वहाँ घर पर होवे. He will be in the house. He should be in the house. Vidhiling lakara. How will you change to bahuvachana this?
Sahataute.
Te.
Te. Grahe.
Grihe.
Bhavishyanti.
No. That is future tense, right? Hove is should. That is advice.
Okay.
Advice is vidhiling.
Okay. Bhavantu.
Bhaveyuhu.
Bhaveyuhu.
हाँ.
Yeah.
और asti, if you want to use asti, asdhatu.
Okay.
Asdhatu is not asti. Asdhatu will be syuhu. Bhaveyuhu syuhu. Like that. You should be there. Sandhya ji, ekam vakyam bhavati vadatu. 22nd, 22. Vaha hoga. This is which lakara? Sandhya ji, bhavati vadatu.
Present.
Hoga.
Let.
Hoga. Vaha hoga.
Past.
Future. Hoga na? Wo hoga is future na? So this is lit lakara. So
lit lakara.
Lit lakara. So the translation of vaha hoga hai.
Hoga, like I mean to say, it's kind of assumption, right? He might be saying now, like today.
So he today, tomorrow, whenever. Future mein, it is in the future. So he will be there, or wo karega. You say na, saha wo karyam kare, wo karma karega. He will do that. Future. मैं जाऊंगा. This is future, right? I will go.
होगा. Yeah.
So वहाँ होगा. सः तत्र भविष्यति. In बहुवचन, what will it be? सः तौ dash. ते correct. सम्यक. ते तत्र
तत्र होगा बहुवचन, right?
Yes.
भविष्यतः.
भविष्यन्ति. भविष्यतः is for two. द्विवचन. भविष्यन्ति बहुवचन. भविष्यति, भविष्यतः, भविष्यन्ति. Okay. Good. We just need little practice. If there is practice, this book will give us lots of practice. By the next week, this will all be cleared out. Okay. Last section. Vakya banavo, last two sections. Krudhyati, I will only say this because very easy. Krudhyati, saha krudhyati. Ramaha krudhyati. Ramaha durjanaya krudhyati. Or saha duhyati, saha kathayati. And bhojanartham we already saw. Patanartham gacchati. To go for study he goes. Bhojanasya krite, for eating he goes. And syam, I should be. Aham syam. Okay. Now last, riktasthan baro. Hari ji, ekam vadatu bhavan. Harihi dash krudhyati. Hari ji, bhavan vadatu. Harihi krudhyati dash.
Harihi choraय कृध्यति.
बहु सम्यक्. चोराय कृध्यति हरिः. सन्ध्या जी, एकं वदतु भवान्. तानि फलानि dash santi.
I was guessing for Murkha.
Murkha is too easy. Come on, you already know Chaturthi Bhakti you have to use. Tani phalani dash santi.
Tani phalani. Madhurani santi.
Bahu samyak, bahu samichanam. This is easy. See, more little practice, we are all doing very well. Okay, so today we will end here. I wanted to go by 5:40. We have finished at 5:38. Okay, so
I'll just try to do this. Murkha pragnaya asuyati, right?
Pragnaya
asuyati.
Correct. Murkha pragnaya asuyati. Chaturthi. Good. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyagatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavadvyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Once